Hello everyone. I am going through some eye pain. You can see it's swollen. So today I thought, okay, I need to connect more with the nature, which I was not connecting lately more. And the thing is that nature has a healing power in itself, which we have to experience. So I am just lying on the grass. You can see the grass, yes. And in the nature, I just had my tea here, and it's feeling really nice. So I thought of, okay, I need to share this experience with everyone, to be more with the nature, to heal, to feel good, and connect with our inner self. I remember I used to go to the bush before, and there itself I could get the insight. I don't know how it happened, but I could feel something, and that insight, that whatever I learned all these years, I should share with the others. At that time, I didn't had any idea of YouTube at all. But as I used to be very shy, very introvert person all my life, I could never thought of being in the camera, showing my face and talking to you guys. Nothing I could think of. But obviously, going into the nature, it was so much healing for me, which I can realize now. So from time to time, I try to go into the nature. I love walking in the nature. I love lying on the grass. You can see it. I am on the grass, and you can see the blue sky, blue and white sky. And it really feels wonderful, but obviously, you need to have courage to do that. Even though you don't have to have lots of courage to do that, honestly, it's about the mindset basically. So, try it. And I remember last year, or maybe beginning of this year, I had so much back pain, and I was just lying on this grass here on my back for an hour, and my back pain was gone. Obviously, I shared that video in my channel, in my YouTube channel, and because it's an old one, so I'm sure there is lots of new subscriber who maybe didn't watch it. So today I thought, okay, I have this opportunity to share this with everyone, so why not? Because it's really, 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 really amazing experience. Even if you don't like to be on the grass, because some bugs will be there on you, but you can prefer to be on the beach, lying on the sand or in the water, whatever. In the vastness of nature, you can find a lot, maybe which I didn't experience yet, but you can experience that, and you will find your inner self more and more, which obviously we can find that one in meditation, but everybody can't do meditation. So nature is the amazing way to find your inner self. You can feel, if you can feel oneness with the nature, especially when I go to the beach, when I see the vastness of the sea, that vastness of the sea before my eyes, I just feel lost of that vastness. And it just feels so amazing. Even though I really scared to go into the water, but still I like water so much because to me water has so much healing properties. Even sometimes when I go to the swimming pool, you know, so that is also healing. So that's why having a shower, having a bath, those are also healing because water has amazing healing power. Even though if we are not in the nature, but as the water is from nature, so it still works in shower, in bath, in the swimming pool. Yes. So, wherever is the opportunity, take that opportunity to heal yourself, to feel better. So, I am already feeling better being in the nature, and the next thing is talking to you guys. Honestly, other day I was feeling so sick. I thought, okay, I can't make that tapping practice with you at all. But then from inside, I said, if you wanna do it, you'll feel better. I did it, and I felt a little bit better. Honestly, I didn't feel too better, but I felt a little bit better. But later, I could see the profound um, uh, mm, benefits of that video. It's the tapping practice day one. It touched so many people. So I'm really touched with the greatness of our inner self in us, which we can't see but we can experience each day, every day, all the time if we connect with that inner self. But we do suffer because we are not connected. I know that pain in my eyes, it is here to tell me something about myself because I was a bit disconnected with my inner self, with my higher self. So I created this eye pain unconsciously. And so if you have any kind of pain or anything, any problems, it's you created it unconsciously. So that's why we have to become more and more conscious about each and every moment, because every moment we are creating our life. If we create our life consciously, our life can be beautiful, amazing. We can create magic and miracles in our life. But we have to be conscious at every moment. Thank you. Be in the nature, enjoy the nature, and enjoy yourself. That is the most important. Bye. Enjoy your day.